it going, guys? Jace here with Off-Road Warehouse. I'm the marketing director here. This is our brand new location. Today we're gonna get into this 1946 Jeep Willys project of mine. We're having a lot of heat issues, so we went over to our friends at Heatshield. We're gonna use some of their products on the exhaust, fuel lines, help cool this thing down. We trust Heatshield products because they're number one, made in the USA, and number two, they're race tested. So we're gonna see what kind of applications can help cool this old Jeep Willys down. Let's get into it.
Hey, I'm Shane from Heatshield Products, and we're down here at Off-Road Warehouse, their new location. Check it out. We've got a Jeep Willys here. It's got some heat issues, so I've got a lava tube. I'm gonna trim to fit, and I'm gonna attach it to this fuel line here, and hopefully avoid a little vapor lock that Jace has been experiencing. Okay, so I have my lava tube. I'm gonna pop it open. I've got a 1/2 inch by 3 foot piece. I'm gonna trim to fit. So I'm just gonna kind of lay this on here and see where I need to cut. I'm just gonna cut it with some scissors. One thing you do want to do is you want to have the Velcro closure facing away from the heat. Kind of help and keep the Velcro from possibly melting. And there it is, pretty much simple as that, just cut and fit. Okay, now we're underneath the Jeep, and I got my Heatshield armor. And what we're gonna do is make a little piece to go from the front all the way to the rear of the exhaust, and just kind of cover the top just to redirect the heat kind of down. So I'm gonna set this aside, I'll take some measurements, and then I'll see you on the table. Yeah, so we're just gonna lay this out and mark it and cut it. And when you're cutting the Heatshield armor, you want to make sure you got a nice brand new blade, or you're going to kind of jam it up. Okay, so there we go, we're all finished up, we're ready to install. Okay, we've got our piece of Heatshield armor up on the exhaust pipe. Now I've got some thermal ties, or Heatshield Products thermal ties. I'm gonna tie this sucker up. I've got my assistant here, Chris, he's gonna help. You'll notice Chris lives dangerously. He's not wearing any gloves, but it would be a good idea to wear some gloves with the Heatshield armor. That completes our install. Got the Heatshield armor all installed. It's all locked in with our thermal ties. And now we can move on to the back to the muffler. I've got one of our Heatshield Products armor pipe kits, and I'm gonna modify it a little bit to use on this small muffler that's on this Jeep Willys. So here we go. All right, so the muffler up there is 9 inches in length. It's cylindrical. I'm just going to cut this to 9 inches and then just kind of strap that on. I'm going to try to cut it so that my button rivets kind of line up in 2 good spots. Okay, we're all set. Now we're gonna put it on the muffler. Okay, just a little pro tip here. For our armor pipe kits, it's a little easier to take the tie wire and wire up one side before you're putting it up on your pipe. And then you can just pull that side around and wire up to the other side. There we go, we're all installed, it's all finished. Okay, that's a wrap down here at Off-Road Warehouse.
Hey guys, I'm excited to get this thing on the road. Make sure Heatshield Products cool this thing off properly. If you need any of this stuff, make sure to check out offroadwarehouse.com for all the Heatshield products.
If you found this video helpful, like, comment, subscribe below.